We use the Telegram Messenger app for our market alerts. It's one of the many tools available to our subscribers, so you know when the markets are moving in real time. This is the app, Telegram Messenger. It's straightforward, free, and easy to use. You just need to switch on your app notifications. This is similar to what the notifications will look like, and if you prefer, you can use the desktop version of the app. Simply open, click on the Forex Early Warning Alerts group, and you are instantly taken to the market alerts. The alerts are market movement of strength and weakness for our currency groups. It will tell you the time of the alert and the session, so Asian or main, main being Europe and America. And this is our group in your Telegram Messenger app. You just simply click onto this group to access the alerts. Our alerts are live and in real time, and depending on the markets for that day, you will continue to receive alerts based on market momentum and movement. Using alerts mean you shouldn't be sitting in front of your charts all day, waiting for movement to happen. Instead of wasting time chasing trades that don't stack up, let the market come to you. With our service, once you receive an alert, you will know it's time to look at the charts and see what's happening in those markets.